guys, welcome back to my corner. Today we are opening the August 2023 Crazy Cat Lady box. Last time I got a August Cat Lady box, I think it was 2 years ago. I think I only had one of them because last year I didn't get mine. I had decided to cancel it because it didn't arrive. And when I saw like the sneak peeks of what was inside, I decided not to get it because it wasn't really good. So and I don't remember in 2021 what I had, but I don't have a lot of hope for this one. Let's just say it like that. So let's open this right away and look what's inside. The card fell. Okay, so this is the little card. It reminds me of the things that we used to get in the 90s. I don't know, like if you're the same age as me. I don't remember her name, but she was doing a lot of these kind of designs on a lot of stuff. Oh, okay. So it says, I am a 90s baby, and a lot of my art is reminiscent of that era. I utilize various digital software to realize my nostalgic dreams. So I guess she does take inspiration from that artist that I was talking about. I don't remember her name. Anyway, if you look on the internet, you're gonna find a lot of things like that. What I find a little bit funny is that they put the two stripes here because the drawing doesn't fit the card, which is kind of a little bit weird, but I'm not judging. Okay, so we have all the prices on the back. I'm not gonna look too much. Okay, the first thing I see, I already know what it is because, oh, well, you see it here, but I can feel it. So there's a little... Alice just threw the box. Yeah. Wait, oh no, she threw everything on the floor. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I put everything on me because I saw a little bit what was in the box. I'm not super impressed, but we will look at everything and I will show you. Like I was saying, so there's a little bag that says Cat Lady box. And we have some sunglasses. So the color is purple. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Let's see. I don't wear a lot of sunglasses. You know what it looks like? It looks like The Matrix or like Men in Black, something like that. So, what do you think? So let's see the price. It says cool cat sunglasses. You know what? It would have been fun to have like cat eyes. Just saying. $12. It's completely plastic. Slide on these retro shades and you'll be looking majorly cool. So again, I think it would have been fun if it was cat theme, because I don't think it's cat theme at all. It's just 90s theme. Yeah. So that's not a bad item. It's okay. The next thing, I'm gonna show you the toys. Hello. So it's a telephone. Well, a receptor. Do you guys still have phones at home, or do you only have cell phones? I still have a phone. I have a cell phone. So I have... Alice is throwing everything on the floor. You stop. So yeah, that's cute. I love the color. I don't see like the why they put this blue with this color, but so this is a retro phone catnip toy, $6. It says Amalo. The 90s are calling to say this toy is like totally cool. Again, with the cool and things like that, I feel like they are, I don't know. Last time it was saying cool and stuff, and I was telling you that it reminded me of my childhood when I was younger, of when I was like a teenager, where everything was cool. So I don't know, is it coming back? I don't know. So the next thing I see is the other toys, which is a cassette. So I'm wondering how many of you in the comments tell me how many of you use these. Have you ever used these? Have you ever seen one? Have you ever like played with one? I used to play with these all the time. I would record myself talking, and I would record myself and I would like pretend I was like a radio host interviewing stars and stuff like that. And I would listen a lot of music. I would record the radio on these. Yeah, I played a lot with these things. There's like a little sound in it. I think it's going to be popular with the cats. This toy is a potty mix catnip toy, $5. So the toys, this toy I like. This one I kind of like it also, but I think this one is going to be very popular with Alice. So the next thing I see is, I don't know, maybe it's because of my age, but to me it's not very nostalgia. It's just, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna show you. It's this. So it's a pen with a lot of colors. There's a lot of colors. In my time there was like 4 colors, the red, the green, the blue, and the black. So now you have green, pink, black, yellow, blue, orange, purple, blue, red. I don't know what that color is. Khaki? I don't know. So anyway, you take a color and you push it to change the color. Oh, I don't know. I don't really like the design. I think it's a little bit cheap. This is $6. It's electric leopard 10 color pen. So yeah, that's a throwback to the 90s again. So I loved the 90s. Like I love the pens, I love the fashion back then, the TV shows and everything, the movies, the music. I really love the music. I don't know why they chose these kind of things. Sunglasses, I don't see the link. This I see, but it's, I don't know, it's underwhelming. I'm just gonna say it like that. I'm sorry, but it's what it is. The next thing, I don't see the 90 link at all. We didn't have that in the 90s. The design is very 90s, like 80s, 90s, like New Kids on the Block. For the people from Quebec, Ouattatao. You will see the design, and I'm kind of disappointed with the fact that they put this in the box again. And like it's a running gag where I'm from, because everyone gives you this. Like I want you to guess what it is in the comments. Every companies gives that like as a like gift to their employees or their students or whatever. They give this to them. It's, I don't know, everyone does it. Every company does it. I don't know how many of these things in my cupboard. Like how many do you need? And it's like a running gag, like I said, because everyone is like, oh, are we getting these again? But I got another one. It's this thing. So did you guess correctly? I want to know. Tell me in the comments. I want to know. So let's look at it. I do use mine. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think I ever bought any. Like I said, I think it's only things that I got. I got one from Cat Lady Box. I got 2 as gifts from companies. And The other one I don't remember. Anyway, so this is what it looks like again. This is so 80, 90. There's a little cat at least. Like, at least it's a good thing. But again, we didn't have that in the 90s. That's not a retro throwback thing for me. Like, I don't really understand, but the design is, but I don't know if I don't know if I'm gonna use this. Maybe at my house just to drink water, but again, I have so many, I don't know what to do with them anymore. Okay, and the last thing is the t-shirt. Let's see, the t-shirt is super soft. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you the price. Oh, it's $25. Wow. Okay. The t-shirt is $23. I just dropped the toy and the two cats are gone. So, let's see. The t-shirt. Totally cats. Are they like changing their... I don't know. I feel like a lot of things are becoming very childish, but they used to put childish stuff in the box, but now I feel like everything is a little bit too much childish. It's cute. I don't like the colors at all. Like the pink and the yellow is okay, but on gray. And I don't see at all the 90 retro thing. Like, at all. That doesn't ring a bell. Maybe it's a US thing. Maybe you can tell me in the comments. Is it like a reference I don't get? But because to me it doesn't mean anything. Again, the neon is very early 90s. But I don't know. I don't see it. Totally cats. They could have done so many things that would have been so funny, so cute. They could have put like 5 cats dressed as the Spice Girls or the Backstreet Boys, or I don't know. They could have done a lot of stuff. They could have done, I don't know, like a cat. I don't know. I'm trying to find ideas, but I feel like this is lacking again. This is a box that is not very cool and fun. You know, I'm just realizing that I'm wearing a shirt that I used to own in the 90s, which is kind of funny. I didn't know that the theme was retro 90s, but this is coming back in fashion. So, you know, I kept it and it still fits. So anyway, again, I'm underwhelmed about this box. The bottle is kind of disappointing. It's been done hundreds of times. I think it's something that they should stop giving. There's so much everywhere, like stop. It's indestructible. It's indestructible, so stop giving us these bottles. We don't get rid of them. We have hundreds in our house. The thing with the glasses is I don't see the theme. It's not cat theme and it's not 90s theme. I don't see the link. Again, the bottle, we didn't have that in the 90s. This we had, but the design is lacking. I think it's pretty cheap. Just put this kind of ribbon of leopard cat tea thing on it. The toys are cute. The t-shirt is cute, but you know, normally I tell you what's my favorite thing. In this one, it's kind of hard. It's getting hard picking a favorite because sometimes I don't have any. Maybe the cassette toy. I think it's pretty cute. Maybe the sunglasses. I don't know. So now we are in August Next month it's September, the other one is October. So I think I have 2 bucks left in my subscription. I am going to cancel. I haven't yet because I'm scared that if I cancel right now that they are just going to cancel the 2 next boxes, and I kind of want to see the October one. So I really hope the next ones are good. I really hope it's entertaining to you. I'm gonna try to find another subscription box or to find another concept where I can open other stuff. I am maybe going to buy some stuff from Shein. I know I shouldn't, but so guys, this is it. Tell me in the comments what you think of the box of the items. Do you think that the August box is a good one? What fond memory do you have from the 90s, like an object or something like clothing and stuff like that? I want to know. Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like the video before you leave. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see what other videos I do like this one. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.